Automated website creation is a concept that should capture your attention on first mention because of everything that it encapsulates. Imagine that there was a software suite that allowed you to easily create websites with just a few clicks of your mouse, leaving you to only select what would look best for your site and to insert your site's information. Well, we have some good news for you. That one piece of software does in fact exist, and it's cloud-based. Yes, we're talking about none other than Moto Theme, the newest innovation in the tired, overcrowded world of website builders. What makes Moto Theme so simple to use is the fact that it is based on WordPress templates, which will allow you to simply install your WordPress theme into your WordPress site to then let you set your imagination free with any of its great templates. In this video, we are going to show you how to quickly install and use Moto Theme templates with just a few clicks. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready. Installing the Moto Theme theme. Installing the Moto Theme theme on your WordPress site is simple enough. Start by going to your Moto Theme member account, where you'll be able to access your Moto Theme template packages. Let's select Moto Theme Premium on the left side menu, and then click on Access Moto Theme Premium. Download the Moto Theme Premium zip file to your computer. Wait for it to complete downloading and then unzip it. Go to your WordPress site dashboard and navigate to the Appearance tab on the left side menu. Then click on Themes. Here is where you install your newly unzipped Moto Theme file as a WordPress theme directly from WordPress, without you having to manually upload anything to a local site server, because Moto Theme makes everything automated. Click on the Upload button and then on Upload Theme. Click on the Choose File button to locate the unzipped Moto Theme file in your computer. You will locate it as a Moto Themes plus Demos directory, and once inside there, double-click on the moto.zip file to upload it. Click on Install Now. A new page will load to inform you that the theme installed successfully. Now click the Activate button to make this your new WordPress theme. Note that Moto Theme requires a number of plugins to be installed into your WordPress site in order for it to run as intended. You will notice that after it has been activated, an alert will be displayed at the top of the screen instructing you to upload the required plugins: Mega Menu, Origin Page Builder, Slider Revolution, and Moto Core, as well as 2 recommended plugins, WooCommerce and Yith WooCommerce Ajax Product Filter. It is important that you install and activate these plugins right when you're instructed to, so you can start working with your new Moto Theme templates right after you install it. Otherwise, you'll have to install and activate them later anyway. To do so, click on Begin Installing Plugins. The required plugins will be marked in red on the list, and at the bottom, you will be able to find the recommended plugins. It is important that you install all these plugins in bulk to avoid having to install them one by one, so simply tick the Plugins checkbox to mark them all. Click on the Bulk Actions menu and select Install, then click on Apply. This will install each plugin completely on autopilot. Once they are all installed, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer. Now you will need to activate all your newly installed plugins, so simply tick the Plugins checkbox, go to the Bulk Actions menu, select Activate and click on Apply. A message will appear to let you know that all the selected plugins have been successfully activated. A word of notice is that if you plan to create an e-commerce website with Moto Theme, you will need to configure the WooCommerce setup wizard located in the Installed Plugins section of WordPress as a final step in this stage. Now you will need to also install the Moto Theme template importer and editor, which will allow you to select templates for your website from a catalog of 55. Go to the Plugins tab in the left side menu of your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Now click on the Upload Plugin button. Use the Choose File button to locate the Moto Themes plus Demos directory in your computer, and once inside it, locate the Moto Demo Importer.zip file and double-click on it to upload it. Then click on Install Now. Remember to click on Activate Plugin once it is finished installing. Importing Moto Theme templates. To import Moto Theme templates to use on your Moto Theme theme, go to the Moto Options tab in the left side menu in WordPress dashboard and click on Demo Importer. It's in this section where you will find all the available templates, each one serving a purpose. As you can see, there are templates for any type of site, such as for accountants, for affiliates, auto repair businesses, restaurants, call centers, and so on. Such a large variety of templates, but for this video, we are going to select one for a wedding planner website. To import a template, simply click on the Import Demo button featured on any of them. Click OK in the pop-up warning and wait for the demo data to be imported. Your selected template will then be tagged as Demo Imported. Let's go check it in action by heading to the Appearance tab and then clicking on Customize, which will take you to the WordPress theme editor. Now just scroll down to check your template, which is professional looking and amazing. There are nonetheless two things that you have to configure before you can start customizing your site, which are the menu and Google Maps integration. This is important in order to get your templates menu organized and to show your physical business info on your site by integrating Google Maps into it. Close the template editor and go back to your dashboard. There, go to the Appearance tab and click on Menus. In the Max Mega Menu Settings info box, tick the Enable checkbox and click on Save. Now to enable Google Maps on your site, go to the Moto Options tab and click on Contact Settings. You will notice that the Google Map API key field is empty. Click on the Google Map API key text URL below the Google Map API key field. In the following page, click on Get Key. You will be asked to enter a name for your project and to agree with the terms of service by selecting the Yes option. Once you complete these steps, click on Create and Enable API. A "You're all set" message will appear to let you know that your Google Map API key was successfully generated. Copy your new API key and go back to your WordPress dashboard to paste it on the Google Map API key field and click on Save Changes. Now, you're all set indeed. Moto Options. The Moto Options tab in your WordPress dashboard is where you will be able to configure and organize your Moto theme settings. So let's take a look at it. Its first settings section is the General Settings tab, where you will be able to configure your template's attributes such as header setting, sidebar position, page, footer, version, and newsletter. The Styling Options tab will allow you to configure other template attributes such as body background and body fonts. In the Social Setting tab, you'll be able to insert your social media profile URLs to be featured on your template's social media buttons. In the Shop Page Setting tab, you will be able to specify how many shop page columns should be featured on your site. In the Contact Setting tab, you will be able to configure several contact settings such as Google Maps integration, your contact emails, as well as your email forwarding data. It also features two subsections, one called Contact Form Labels and one labeled Contact Form Placeholders, so you can configure both on your contact forms. The Demo Importer tab is, as we previously saw, the section where you will be able to import Moto theme templates to use on your WordPress sites. Lastly, the Import-Export tab will allow you to configure your import options, which includes whether to import data from files or from URLs, and the export options, which includes data copy, download data file, and copy export URL. A last section worth looking at is the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard, where you will be able to see the automating power of Moto theme. Go to the Pages tab and click on All Pages. There you will see that every page in your site has been created automatically by Moto theme, right when you installed it as your theme. The most essential pages such as About Us and Blog are here, and you can edit them to your liking by using the Edit or Quick Edit buttons, as well as delete them from your site by using the Trash button in case you don't need some of them there. Let's take a look at the options available to edit Moto theme pages the easy way by clicking on Edit under any of these pages. First, you will be able to edit their title on top, and below it, you can edit the permalink, which is a URL that will be shown in browsers for a specific page. Now when you scroll down on the page, you will be able to add columns to your page where you can insert elements such as headers, logos, and images. As you can see in this example, Moto theme pages include some default elements that you can edit by pointing at them, which will give you the option to edit, duplicate, or delete them. When you click on the Add Element button inside a column, you will be able to insert an element such as rows, tabs, text, custom code, icons, single images, and different types of social media feeds. Rarely does a WordPress theme give you so much bang for your buck, especially because inserting elements such as social media feeds on a page will often come as a paid add-on for most themes. That is why Moto theme is your best option when it comes to customized theme creation for your WordPress sites.